Welcome to educational live trade video for the day. So today I trade on Infi. I'll be telling you how I traded and how I took the entry and how I took the exit. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this trade. So yes, right now I'm buying Infi in the market level now around 1454 to 1455 level. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So this is the trade what I'm taking according to my study and the strategy. So plan to keep the target up to 5 or 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, so my exit is somewhere around 1460. Okay, so I just bought it now, and also if you guys can see, this is slightly gap opening, and also it is still showing that the buyers are still there in the stock with a good green candle with a good body being formed here. So that's the reason why I have gone in a buy side. So let's see how the stock will perform. And also if you guys can see at the top left, the market is trading at 0.50% up, and yes, the market has touched almost 20,000 levels. So this is the reason why I'm bullish today. So let's see how the stock will perform. And the opening price was 1451, and already it has made a high of 1455.75 as of now. Okay, and the previous close was 1442.70. So as I said, you more than 1% gap up is there, but still the stock is looking in a good strong way to the buying side. And also the market is in a gap up section and a bullish section, so that's why we are in a buy side. Okay, so let's see how it will perform. And also guys, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal trading course today. Okay, so in my course I'll be teaching you how you can be a consistent profitable trader and how to make consistent profit, and with no indicators and no complicated things. It's very simple things, and the main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. Okay, so I'll be guiding you with my years and years of experience. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades as a profit proof. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can be a consistent profitable trader from today. Okay, so guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock is now trying to make a new high, somewhere trading around 1466 level, 1456 levels now. So let's just wait for some time and see how the stock will perform. And yes, once you join us, I'll be guiding you like how to pick a correct stock like this and how to make correct entries and trades like this. Okay, and also even in live market, I'll be guiding you personally about how you can make good trades and everything. I'll be teaching you personally as well. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. So guys, yes, as you guys can see now, 1458.85 is a new high what it has made, and it has touched that level and it has come down a little and trading around 1457, just 1 point down. So yes, as I said you, I'm planning to take the exit somewhere around 1460. Okay, so once it touches somewhere near 1460, I'll just take the exit. So yes, this is a trade according to my study and the strategy, and once you join us, I'll be guiding you all these concepts. And yes, as you guys can see, we are trading without indicators, and which is very simple way, and also the trade has been done very quickly as well. So yes, 1460.70 is a new high what it has made, so the target has been touched here guys. So I'll just take the exit now and I'll update you about my trade position. So the target has been met in our infi trade what we had taken today, so I'll just take the exit now. So I guess yes, as you guys can see, the stock has gone up till 1460.70, almost near to 1461. So I just took my exit somewhere around there by almost booking like 6 to 7 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book in the today's trade of Infosys. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.